Today we're going to get ready for the holy month by starting a 4-week series of Ramadan special recipes. We're going to do them in collaboration with Virgin Megastores, who have given us some beautiful kitchen equipment to use this next 4 weeks. The recipe we're cooking today is this cauliflower shawarma with whipped feta and dukkah, a fun, fast recipe for you to enjoy during the holy month. So it's Ramadan competition time. During the next 4 weeks, we'll be posting beautiful recipes for Ramadan. And what we want you to do, if you want to participate, is to take a picture or a video of your Hello Chef creation and post it #HelloChefMe, and you're in the draw to win a beautiful bundle of stylish kitchen equipment from Virgin Megastores. Good luck. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees with fan. Chop the cauliflower into small florets. Drain, rinse and dry the chickpeas. In a large bowl, combine the garlic powder, cinnamon, cardamom, oregano, cayenne pepper, which is spicy, smoked paprika and salt with a very generous lug of oil. Add the chickpeas and the cauliflower florets to the bowl and give everything a good mix. Arrange the cauliflower and chickpeas on a large baking tray and roast for 25 or 30 minutes until tender and starting to char around the edges. Meanwhile, place the almonds, zaatar, cumin, coriander and a pinch of salt in a food processor. Blitz until you are left with a fine crumb. This is your dukkah, set aside. Juice half of the lemon into a large bowl. Peel the garlic and crush it into the same bowl. If you don't like raw garlic, go easy. Add the labneh and feta. Using a spatula, break up the feta, then whip it for 2 minutes. The result should resemble a thick sour cream, set aside. Wash and chop the cucumber. Wash and finely chop the dill. In a bowl, toss the cucumber, dill and pomegranate seeds with a drizzle of olive oil. Season with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Spread the whipped feta over serving plates. Top with the cauliflower and chickpeas, followed by the dukkah. Serve the cucumber salad along. Bon appétit! So this is it. This is how easy it is to make a beautiful, colorful Ramadan recipe with a nice Egyptian dukkah, homemade. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. But for now, Ramadan Kareem, and let me dig in.